What is with that?
Well, it's coffee, Jerry. It expels the disease germs out of the body into the air.
Have you been tested for the coronavirus?
No, I have not been tested for the coronavirus. I've had, thank God, no symptoms that I'm aware of. Doesn't mean that that can't happen.
Up for the next round of primaries?
Pam, you should really get that cough checked out by a doctor.
Including...
I have not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
That's some coffee.
You know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
Actually, that's true, but fortunately I'm alone in my home, but that's okay.
Are you taking any medication for that?
And I think we've been...
Public.
Sit down. What? Sit down. Hey!
But first, when this crisis
I'd like
spoke earlier, he's
What kind of pills are these anyway?
And what is it like to be a candidate in the time of social distancing?
Well, I'm doing fine, thank you.
May cause panting and loss of fur? These are dog pills.
Wait a minute. This isn't the way to the park. You're taking me to the doctor.
Hey, get back over here. Bad neighbor. Neighbor.